So what's the channel, Scott?
Scott a minute? Scott a minute or Scott Kinmartin TV?
So,
oh! That was disgusting. Oh my god. Damn it!
Hey, you just throw up on me? You just throw up on me, didn't you? You're a terrible person. I'm gonna...
Alright.
this is Kevin Playlist Live. He's the whole reason. I thought you were serious. I was like, oh shit.
Oh my god.
Why did you do that? Because
No! Where's the camera?
what was that? Turn the camera on. Sorry. I'll pay for that. Turn the camera.
Why you having one? Even though it's not mine.
I love you.
They'll cut that part out of it.
Oh, you got it.
That's not water. Hold up.
It's piss.
You just down with the other bottle.
Oh, fine. Well, actually, it's day one. We were here early, and we're eating some breakfast. And I gotta try sweet Florida oranges while I'm here. So we are here, and Justin's eating his lunch for breakfast.
Gina is so